let me see what it holds for you as you and me as an Indian entrepreneur or in industry or government agency or an NGO. What do we stand out for, when Potter Prize comes into India? Potter Prize is known commonly as the Oscar of strategy. Oscars came into being about 80 years ago, and initially, trust you me, nobody would have known what Oscar is going to emerge 80 years later. And here we have, everybody in the world dying to be a part of Oscars in one way or the other. Potter Prize is no less, and it is the best recognition in the areas of strategy, and it's a celebration for us in India that Potter Prize has decided to come to India in 2012. This is on one hand a recognition of India as an emerging destination and India's relevance in the emerging international order, as much as it's an opportunity for all aspects and stakeholders in India to grab this opportunity with both hands, to be a part of the Potter Prize process, to reassess their own strategy tools, to revisit their own strategies that they adopt in their businesses, in development activities, whether it's the industry, whether it's government agencies or it's NGOs, and the whole process by which Potter Prize is supposed to function is a very transparent, objective and competitive process. There are three stages of first stage of shortlisting of various strategies which are applied and brought into the pool of the competition. Thereafter, the shortlisted applicants would be screened through a very excellent jury, and finally the 6 awardees would emerge from the entire process. This on one hand gives an opportunity for the best to win, and also gives an opportunity for the others and the best to do better in the coming years from here on. And as an early mover advantage, trust to me, this is an opportunity which we should be thankful that we are a part of this generation which is seeing India at the sunrise stages. And when the Vision 2040 unfolds, a few decades from now, we should have the advantage of being the alumnus of Potter Prize. And with this, I welcome Potter Prize to India and look forward to everybody in India, be it government agencies, NGOs, companies and any other stakeholders, to join hands and participate in the Potter Prize. We as Hammurabi and Solomon are privileged to be to partner the Potter Prize 2012 in India, and we look forward to being of value to Potter Prize for a long time to come and gain from the entire experience. Thank you and all the best, and look forward to seeing each one of you at Potter Prize.